Hey everyone! Welcome back to today's English practice session. Get ready. We are starting with a useful shadowing exercise. Here's how it works. After the beep, you will hear a sentence. Repeat it out loud, trying to match the tone, rhythm, and pronunciation. It's simple, it's effective, and it's going to make you fluent in English in no time. So let's begin and help you feel more confident. Let's start. I think it's going to rain. I think it's going to rain. Can you think of another option? Can you think of another option? I often think before I speak. I often think before I speak. What do you think about this? What do you think about this? Think carefully before making a decision. Think carefully before making a decision. I think we're on the same page. I think we're on the same page. Let me think it over first. Let me think it over first. Can you make time for this? Can you make time for this? Let's make a plan for tomorrow. Let's make a plan for tomorrow. I'll make the changes you suggested. I'll make the changes you suggested. Make sure to follow the rules. Make sure to follow the rules. She made a mistake in the report. She made a mistake in the report. Make a list before you forget. Make a list before you forget. We'll make it work somehow. We'll make it work somehow. Look at the numbers again. Look at the numbers again. He gave me a strange look. He gave me a strange look. Can you look into this issue? Can you look into this issue? Let's look at it more closely. Let's look at it more closely. Don't forget to look both ways. Don't forget to look both ways. She looked confident in the meeting. She looked confident in the meeting. Look for updates on the report. Look for updates on the report. It's been a long day today. It's been a long day today. The day started with good news. The day started with good news. Let's wrap up for the day. Let's wrap up for the day. We'll discuss this another day, okay? We'll discuss this another day, okay? Tomorrow is a big day too. Tomorrow is a big day too. A busy day lies ahead. A busy day lies ahead. Let's meet again later this day. Let's meet again later this day. We need more time to finish. We need more time to finish. Can you give me more details? Can you give me more details? There's more to say about that. There's more to say about that. I want more time to think. I want more time to think. More people join the team today. More people join the team today. This needs more review before approval. This needs more review before approval. Let's focus more on the solution. Let's focus more on the solution. I want to improve my English. I want to improve my English. Do you want to join us? Do you want to join us? We want better results this quarter. We want better results this quarter. What do you want to discuss? What do you want to discuss? I want to understand this better. I want to understand this better. They want to start the project. They want to start the project. I don't want to delay things. I don't want to delay things. This is the easiest way forward. This is the easiest way forward. Can you explain the way it works? Can you explain the way it works? I like the way you lead. I like the way you lead. There's no way to finish today. There's no way to finish today. Let's find a better way together. Let's find a better way together. What's the best way to proceed? What's the best way to proceed? We need a clear way forward. We need a clear way forward. Did you find the missing file? Did you find the missing file? I can't find it anywhere. I can't find it anywhere. Let's find another time to talk. Let's find another time to talk. We need to find a solution. We need to find a solution. She helped me find the problem. She helped me find the problem. Try to find what's missing. Try to find what's missing. Find the issue and fix it. Find the issue and fix it. How do you use this software? How do you use this software? We use Zoom for team meetings. We use Zoom for team meetings. You can use my charger later. You can use my charger later. Don't use that tone in emails. Don't use that tone in emails. Let's use simpler words next time. Let's use simpler words next time. She knows how to use Excel. She knows how to use Excel. Use clear language in your message. Use clear language in your message. Tell me what you really think. Tell me what you really think. Please tell him we're running late. Please tell him we're running late. Did you tell her the deadline? Did you tell her the deadline? Tell the team we're ready now. Tell the team we're ready now. I forgot to tell you something. I forgot to tell you something. Can you tell me the result? Can you tell me the result? She didn't tell us the reason. She didn't tell us the reason. Great job, everyone! You've just finished the shadowing practice. Today we explored words 21 to 30 from the 3,000 most common English words, which are essential vocabulary for everyday conversation. Before we wrap up, let's quickly review each word and its meaning. This will help you understand the words better, so you can use them in your everyday conversations. Ready? Let's get started. The first word is but. We use but to show a contrast, when one thing is different from another. I wanted to go, but I was tired. The second word is not. Not is used to make a sentence negative. She is not ready. The third word is what. We use what to ask questions or to talk about something unknown. What does that sound? The fourth word is all. All means the whole group or everything. All the cookies are gone. The fifth word is were. Where is the past form of are. They were at school yesterday. The sixth word is we. We means you and I, or a group that includes me. We are learning English. The seventh word is when. When is used to ask or talk about time. When do you eat lunch? The eighth word is your. Your shows that something belongs to you. Is this your phone? The ninth word is can. Can means you are able to do something. I can ride a bike. That's all for today's 10 words. You did something great by learning and practicing with us. These valuable steps will help you speak English better every day. Try to use these words in real conversations and keep practicing them often. If this session helped you, please like the video and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Please comment your thoughts about this session. It means a lot to us. See you in the next session. Thank you.